Welcome back to Clark's Culinary. Today we're going to be roasting turnips. I have 2 pounds of turnips, and the first thing we need to do is get them peeled. The turnips have been peeled. Let's get them sliced. First I'm going to slice the turnip in half, and then we're going to make 1/4 of an inch slices. Once you have all the turnips cut, we're going to move over to the seasoning. In a large mixing bowl, add the juice of half of a lemon. 1 tablespoon of white sugar. The lemon juice and sugar will provide a great contrasting flavor with the bitterness of the turnip. 1 teaspoon of salt. Finally, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Mix until the salt crystals have dissolved. Once the salt crystals have dissolved, add the turnips into the bowl and toss to coat them in the seasoning. After coating the turnips, place them on a baking pan lined with parchment paper. And we're going to sprinkle the turnips with a little sugar. And some red chili flakes. Place the turnips in the oven that's been preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. And once they're done, you're ready to serve. Thank you all so much for watching Clark's Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.